Hello, it's Melissa Langridge, and I'm here to show you how to find the results to the course post-test. There's a lot of questions on how to do these things, so I just wanted to go over it with you. If you have additional questions, please contact Melissa Langridge in person, I suppose, until email is restored. Okay, so the first question is, which source would be the best to find consumer feedback? This would be Statista and Google, because as you know, Statista is a database that will contain charts and graphs that are great for presentations, but all of the information was originally found on the internet. So it depends what you're looking for. So both Statista and Google. Which source would be the best to use to identify the current industry outlook report? That would be IBIS, industry and IBIS. That's how you remember that. But if not, from the library homepage, which is library.niagara.edu, you will go to research, research guides, scroll down till you find hospitality, click on hospitality and sports management, and then under the course guides, find your course, and right there, industry research box, it says IBIS World. Okay, the other one is not listed. Which source would be the best to use to develop an advertising budget? So we went over this in class, and that is Mergent. So I'll show you how to do this with the following questions that are after the ones in general, what you know you would use, because knowing the names of the databases and what they're useful for will help you in life in general. And then I just wanted to have you apply it with the other questions, so we'll get into that in just a moment. But basically on your course guide, any company research and financials, you're going to use Mergent. So that's how you would kind of remember to use that. Okay, the next one. Since 2000, which year had the fewest numbers of visitors to Vegas? This is a stat, so this is why you would use Statista. So in this database, we will type in Las Vegas visitors. Number of visitors to Las Vegas is the first result. And I believe it's at the fewest number of visitors to Vegas, and here are your results. So you could just look to see that is clearly 2001 based on the graph. Yep, there you go. Okay. What percent of the industry market share does the Las Vegas Sands Corporation comprise? So again, this is an industry question, so we're going to go back to the course guide and go into IBIS World. And I hope it works, because this happened during our class. It looks like it will. Oh, good, 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 good. So you're going to type in casino, because that's what Las Vegas Sands is. Casino hotels in the US, and go. And you're going to find the major companies. And Las Vegas Sands is small, so it's not part of the 3 that are listed. There's a lot of other. So if you keep scrolling down, you can even do Control F and type in Sands, and there you go. The market share is 3.6%. Okay. Moving right along. Overall, what is the 2020 risk forecast in the casino hotel industry? So if you go back, let me get rid of that search box. There's the risk report in IBIS World. And it says that overall the casino hotel industry is forecast to be medium high over 2020. And they say the negative factors affecting this industry are consumer confidence index and high competition. Okay. Medium high. According to the risk score trend analysis, what are the primary negative factors affecting this industry? Right there, the second one. Compare the total revenue of the top 10 companies in the casino industry, and how does the Las Vegas Sands Corp compare in 2018? So what we're going to do is do financial. So if we go close out this one, go back to company research and financials to merge it. We're going to type in Sands. Let's see. Maybe I have to put Las Vegas Sands. There you go. Make sure you select the correct one, the correct company that you're looking for. And I apologize, it's a little bit slow because when I'm recording, the databases go slower. So bear with me here. Mergent, though, is great for public company information. And what we showed you in class is the report builder is the best feature on Mergent. And what you can do is do comparison reports, because remember, that's what the question is asking. How does it compare in 2018? So you want the top 10 companies, or even all companies, it's up to you. And I think, what are we looking for? Total revenue. So when you're creating your report items, you want to look at financials and look at total revenue and bring that over. And what year? We wanted 2018. And I got to move my screen just a little bit to download this. Okay, let's select the HTML format and create the report. And see, this one, sometimes there's like, what is it? Change that some of them have listed. And it is actually in the top 3, if you'll notice, by comparison. And so let me bring that down just a little bit again to show you that you would put that right there. And then this is just what, did you learn by attending? And then if you had any questions, which I didn't receive any. So if you still have questions, I'm here for you. I mean, that's what librarians do. So please let me know, because all we wanted to do is make sure that you had conviction, use the databases with conviction so you know what you're doing for your assignment. So if you're having troubles, please do not hesitate to ask questions, because we want to make sure that you get the best information and get the best grades. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Bye.